Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the incredible journey from ancient life forms to cutting-edge AI and the evolution of intelligence. Stay tuned to learn how intelligence has evolved over billions of years and what the future holds for artificial intelligence. In the vast expanse of existence, the evolution of intelligence stands as a captivating chapter. Few stories rival the journey of intelligence. From its humble beginnings to the cutting-edge realms of artificial intelligence, AI, today. This evolutionary saga is not just a chronicle of biological advancement, but a testament to the limitless potential of the human mind and its creations. Origins of biological intelligence. The journey begins over 3.5 billion years ago, when life emerged on Earth. From single-celled organisms to complex multicellular beings, evolution sculpted organisms with increasing levels of awareness and adaptability. The development of nervous systems enabled responses to stimuli, paving the way for sensory organs and rudimentary forms of cognition. Fast forward to the ascent of Homo sapiens, where biological intelligence reached unprecedented heights. Our brains, with their intricate networks of neurons, enabled language, toolmaking, and cultural transmission. This cognitive explosion propelled humanity towards technological and societal advancements, shaping civilizations in the course of history. The rise of artificial intelligence. While biological intelligence continued its millennia-long evolution, the 20th century ushered in a new era, artificial intelligence. Inspired by the human brain, early AI pioneers envisioned machines capable of simulating human thought processes. Alan Turing's groundbreaking work laid the groundwork for modern computing, while John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence and pioneered its theoretical foundations. Initially, AI focused on rule-based systems and problem-solving algorithms. However, the true breakthrough came with the advent of machine learning and neural networks. These technologies allowed computers to learn from vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make decisions independently, achieving feats once thought to be exclusive to human intelligence. The age of machine learning and deep learning. In recent decades, machine learning and its subset, deep learning, have revolutionized AI. Deep learning models, inspired by the structure of the human brain, employ layers of artificial neurons to process complex datasets. From image and speech recognition to natural language processing, AI systems like IBM's Watson and Google's AlphaGo have showcased remarkable capabilities, surpassing human performance in specific domains. The integration of biological and artificial intelligence. Looking ahead, the convergence of biological and artificial intelligence holds transformative potential. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, and neuroprosthetics are bridging the gap between biology and technology, enhancing human capabilities and offering new avenues for medical treatments and cognitive enhancements. As these technologies advance, they pave the way for symbiotic relationships between humans and machines, where each complements the strengths of the other. Ethical considerations and future directions. As we navigate this era of unprecedented technological advancement, ethical considerations loom large. Issues of privacy, algorithmic bias, and the societal impact of AI demand careful deliberation and responsible governance. Yet, amidst these challenges, the promise of AI to solve global problems, drive innovation, and expand our understanding of the universe is undeniable. Embracing collaboration and innovation. As we advance into the future, the integration of biological and artificial intelligence promises unprecedented opportunities for collaboration and innovation. Imagine a world where AI-powered medical diagnostics enhance early disease detection, where autonomous vehicles revolutionize transportation, and where personalized AI assistants streamline daily tasks. These advancements not only improve efficiency, but also have the potential to tackle complex global challenges, from climate change to healthcare disparities. The role of humanity in shaping AI's future. In this journey of awe and wonder, humanity plays a pivotal role as stewards of intelligent technologies. As creators and custodians of AI, We have a responsibility to ensure its ethical development and deployment. This includes addressing issues of bias in algorithms, safeguarding privacy rights, and fostering inclusive AI ecosystems that benefit all of society. Cultivating a culture of curiosity and ethical responsibility. As we reflect on the evolution of intelligence from its biological origins to the frontiers of AI, we are reminded of the importance of cultivating a culture of curiosity and ethical responsibility, encouraging interdisciplinary collaboration, promoting transparency in AI development, and prioritizing human-centric values are essential for navigating the complexities of our intelligent future. The evolution of intelligence is a journey of continual discovery and transformation. It is a testament to the resilience of life and the boundless potential of human creativity. As we embark on this journey together, let us approach the future with awe and wonder, guided by the principles of curiosity, collaboration, and ethical stewardship. Let us embrace this journey with reverence, curiosity, and a commitment to harnessing the power of intelligence for the betterment of all. In the grand narrative of existence, the evolution of intelligence is our collective story, one that continues to unfold with each passing moment, offering limitless opportunities for exploration, discovery, and growth.